What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video today. If you read the title, so the title is a joke, okay? So don't take it personally, but the video is going to be like teaching you how to, or how I got my internship at Apple. Um, and basically, my internship starts in January, and I landed that through a process, and that process I'm going to show you today. It's it's not as hard as people make it out to be. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to get there, okay? It's really, really not that bad. I promise you it's not that bad. But you have to stick with me here and I'll show you how we can do it, okay? So I'm gonna explain my journey and then you can decide like how you want to approach things. But this is how I did it, okay? Very first thing, you're probably on one of these steps right now, okay? You're either on this one, like learning to code, you're either building projects, you're either working on your resume, you're either applying, you're either doing like interview prep, which this one and this one go hand in hand, or you're just trying to um, wait for the offer, right? You take in the interview and now you're trying to close that offer, right? So I'm gonna go through like all of these briefly here, and then I'll go to the next slide, which will basically show you how to do it. Okay. So first of all, um, learning to code. Okay. So, if you don't know how to code, stop watching this video. Just go and learn. You can learn from YouTube, you can learn from textbooks, you can learn from anywhere. Just learn how to code. You can literally search it up. I have a million resources on that on my channel, which I'll link. It'll probably pop up on the top somewhere, or it's in the description somewhere, okay? Or it's in my channel. Just look around, you'll find it, okay? Just learning to code, learn how to code. Um, Next, once you've learned how to code, you're gonna learn how to build a project, okay? So that means like a website, an app, it doesn't matter, just build something. It can be as simple as a tic-tac-toe game, I don't care, but build something and then improve it, keep improving it to make something original. You can even make it into a startup, who knows, but definitely come up with like original ideas. So like instead of a tic-tac-toe game, you can make it like combine like a to-do list and a tic-tac-toe game and make it like mm, like a tic-tac-toe to-do list, or like a tic-tac-toe bingo, or sorry, a to-do list bingo game, whatever, right? You have ChatGPT at your fingertips and you're still not using it, so come on. And then once you build projects, you're gonna build your resume, right? So you can put your projects, you can put your clubs, you're gonna put experience, which will basically teach you how to do stuff. Now, it's very contradictory because without an internship, like how are you going to get experience, right? Like you're building projects to get experience, but you also need to show like some sort of like internship or program or whatever, right? And I actually have cool programs that'll actually teach you how to get experience without having experience. Again, it's in the channel, so check out that whole playlist. It's called the Coding Directory. Check it out. That whole playlist is insane. I promise you, every single video in there is just so good. I wish I had that when I started, but yeah. And then you're gonna build your resume using those experiences, using those projects, using those clubs and extracurriculars, which I mentioned there. And then you're gonna start applying where I applied, and then I was applying, grinding out leak code, and then doing the whole interview, um, you know, whole interview phase, right? So that's basically how I got it. Okay, it's yeah, I know. Like everything I've said up until now is just either common sense or you're like overwhelmed. So if you're overwhelmed, don't worry, stick with me. I got you. But we're gonna take a look at this, the coding directory, okay? And this, is completely free. Okay, it's literally published on the web. I have a link, the first link in the description. Check it out. It'll really help you. So check that out. And yeah, basically what it is, it's a collection of everything that I just talked about in a more visually appealing way, and it actually links stuff, right? So we'll start here. Okay. So if you want to read my story, you can. It's really inspirational, in my opinion. But yeah, definitely read my story. Um, Again, learn to code, look at cool programs. The certifications are definitely there if you need it. So work on your resume, apply, track your applications, do the interviews, and then yeah, that's basically the formula. And again, all of this is in the description. The first link in the description, you'll find this whole guide. But that's basically how I did it. Like this is literally the roadmap I used, and I literally link all of the resources. Oh yeah, and this is my favorite module, the Life Beyond CS. So I'll make a video on that, but it's definitely one of my favorite ones. So check it out. Like if you have extra time, or if you're applying, or you have an offer already, just check out this one. It's a really nice one. But yeah, with that being said, this is literally the roadmap. If you want it, it's in the first link in the description. No excuses, brother. It's literally you do it or you don't. I can only lead you to water, but I cannot make you drink the water, right? So this is literally step by step. I don't know like how I can break it down even more for you. So check it out, and yeah, hopefully that'll help you. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Have a fantastic day.